Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day, also just a pinky tutorial on the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Subversive Vie En Rose palette. So I'm only going to be using this eyeshadow palette today, and if you would like some swatches I will list my other Pat McGrath video in the cards up there. But in that video I said I was going to make another video with only using this palette, and since it is Valentine's Day I think this is the perfect time to be doing golds, purples, pinks. Before we get into the tutorial, my name is London and I do videos just like this one every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos. Let's get into this. So I know in the last video I put Pale Fire on my brow bone and I put Paranormal and Rose Risque in my crease. So I'm going to try and not to do that, do something different, because when I first looked at it I was like, oh, boom boom boom, that in the crease, all right, and I was like, wait, no, I already did that. So today I'm just gonna start off by putting Rose Risque, or Pale Fire, which is that one down in the corner, on my inner corner for a highlight, so I can use that one and not think of putting it into my brow bone. I do really like this shade though. It's it looks really like an interesting pink in the pan, but once you put it on your face it is definitely like a duochrome peach color. What to do? Goodness, there's so many options. I have 5 eyeshadows to choose from. I'm going to put Rose Risque, which is the pink color right there. I'm gonna put that into this like upper crease in my brow bone here, because I was looking at Pat McGrath's Instagram and also even the design on this palette. They all kind of have that interesting color that's like right in the crease touching the brow, so I kind of want to incorporate that. Goodness, none of these looks are going to be wearable. I'm sorry guys that I can't do wearable Valentine's Day look. When I think of Valentine's Day, I mean, it's obvious that I think of like pink and purple and gold and whatever, but it's like there's only so many looks that you can do. It's like pinky brown in the outer corner, pink on the lid, done. You know what I mean? Like, I want to change it up. Put some pink somewhere where you've never put some pink before. Sounded really weird, but you know what I mean. Right underneath the Rose Risque, I'm going to take Paranormal, which is that kind of plummy purple shade. I'm gonna pack that right underneath there and kind of lightly dragging it out. So while I'm doing this, I don't really know what day I'm going to upload this video, but if you guys have a certain palette that you want me to do a Valentine's Day look with, like the Jeffree Star palette, the Norvina palette, or a palette that I don't own, but something that I can get in stores so I don't have to wait for shipping. But if there's a certain palette that you want me to do a Valentine's Day look on, totally comment it down below. I will very much appreciate that. I will take a look into it. And then now, going back with that other brush with the Rose Risque, and I'm just gonna intensify that pink again. I love these layered so much. If you watched my other Pat McGrath video, you probably saw how much I love these layered together. These were so pretty. Add a little bit more color over here. Make it a little bit more even. And I think I'm gonna put this gold all over my lid with my finger. This could be a bad idea. Holy cow. I'm so speechless. I low-key kind of wanted to hate these because I didn't want to fall in love with them and want to buy all of them. I feel like it's almost impossible not to love these. And then I'm going to take Purple Rain, that one, right underneath my lash line. Wow, this purple, I'm telling you, is insane. For everyone who's been hunting down a good purple, I found it, guys. I found it. It's a shimmery purple, but like this one and the Jeffree Star purple in the Alien palette, holy cow. Let me just tell you that. I want to wing it out like that. That looks kind of cool. Can I just flicking it out? Flicky flicky. Now I'm going to take the shade that I haven't taken before. This is Euphoria. I'm gonna take this and pat it along the edge of that gold. I think this looks pretty cool, but I want a little bit of pink in there. So I'm gonna go back in with Pale Fire, and I'm gonna take this, wet the eyeshadow and put it right in the center of that gold shade. I can't really tell if I like that. I like it a lot more when I turn my head, but when I just have my head straight, it just looks like pink. I'm gonna take the pencil brush that I used under my lash line with the Purple Rain, and I think I want to kind of wing this out on the top lash line too. That gold definitely had some fallout under my lash line from doing that. I think I'm going to take a little bit more of the Rose Risque on this eye. I think I want to sharpen up this line just a tad bit. I think I'm pretty happy with that. In my other Pat McGrath video, I took the Rose Risque, which is this pink shade, as a blush, and I think I want to take Pale Fire, which is the color I put on my inner corner, as like a blush highlight. Oh wow, that is amazing. I love that shine that it gives. It gives me like a little bit of a bronze. Like the undertone of this duochrome color isn't gray at all, but it gives me kind of like a bronzy look. But as I turn my cheek, you can just see this ray of pink, just wow. And then for bronzer, I'm gonna take a little bit of a bigger brush than I normally do, and the Laguna bronzer. And I'm just gonna make this super bronzy. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, mascara, don't know about lashes yet, and I'll be back for the lips. Alright, so I decided not to do lashes because I like the way this gold looks so much that I really don't want to cover it up. But for my lips, I'm first gonna take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Baby Daddy. Time to let this dry. Actually a really cool color with this shirt. And then over top of Baby Daddy, I'm gonna take the Pat McGrath Labs Lust lip gloss in Earth Angel. Y'all, this is the best lip gloss in the world. And this is the final look. Look at this lip gloss, y'all. Goodness, this looks amazing. I'm so happy about this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Pat McGrath and you want to see more videos with Pat McGrath. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see my next video on Pat McGrath using the big Mothership palette. I did this tutorial with the tiny one, so I'm gonna do another tutorial solely using this palette, or maybe even two. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified of all my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.